What's up everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I have a 2019 Charger in the shop of this beautiful blue. In fact, for those of you who are subscribers, you may be saying to yourself, man, that Charger looks really familiar. And you are correct. It's been in here before. In fact, it was the recipient of an amazing build that I did previously of grill lights, demon eyes, as well as RGB DRL boards, all from Morimoto/Profile. Now here's the deal, this is the first time in my entire career where I've had to do this, but you know what? That DRL kit is really only supposed to go up to a 2018, and in the 2019 Chargers, they changed from a 3-board to a 1-board design. I had to fabricate panels. It ended up being a lot of extra work to make that kit work for this vehicle, and I was proud of it, but unfortunately, it kept having weird glitchy errors, and he has come back on 2 separate occasions for me to do troubleshooting, and I tried various different things to make it work, but ultimately, it wasn't even bright enough. He wasn't happy. And this is where I'm going to go on a little side tangent about customer service, is because you know what? That wasn't my fault that the products weren't performing optimally or up to his standards. But you know what? It doesn't matter because I assume responsibility for the product selection of what goes into each vehicle. And we selected those products because he wanted RGB grill lights. He wanted 3 channels of control. It only made sense to go with all of the profile equipment. However, problems and also not performing as desired. So that is why I basically put in about 8 hours of work today for this guy for free. I wanted to make sure this dude is happy. So now, this 2019 Charger has the 2019 Charger Diode Dynamics RGBW DRL kit, as well as the Diode Dynamics RGBW Demon Eyes. Still has the profile RGB strips in the grill. All 3 of these products are running off of 3 independent Diode Dynamics RGBW controllers, and they are all still turned on by a button inside the cabin. So super quick review, basically I am going to point this out. The Demon Eyes are brighter than the profile ones, and even the DRLs are brighter than the profile ones. In fact, I would just like to point out that all of this stuff is brighter. Well, not the grill lights are the same. So now on our app, as you can see, I've got DRL, grill, and Demon Eyes. So if I click on DRL, it's a little bit slower than the Morimoto app, but as you can see, I can control the DRLs, and I have the ability to go onto pure white. Now with the DRLs, I'm going to leave it on pure white there, and the whole idea there is that it also turns on automatically with the vehicle as it's wired into the parking light wire. So if he doesn't push the button and he just gets in his car and drives it, it will come on with the vehicle and it will be on the last color that it was. So if he leaves it on blue, that's his problem, but ideally you leave it on blue. Now something worth mentioning here is you can see that I have my brightness at literally 2. So if I turn it up to 100% brightness, it is just whiting out the camera right now. So if earlier you were looking at being like, that doesn't look much brighter, that's because I had it down so low just so you could see the Demon Eyes. So that's on brightness of 1, just so you can see those Demon Eyes. So the DRL kit is infinitely brighter, for sure. So next up we have the grill. If I select onto the grill, that'll come up and I can control that as well. Now the only downside of using an RGBW controller in order to control RGB products is if I select the pure white, obviously there is no white channel, so it just turns off. So the workaround is that if you want RGB white, then what you'll have to do is select all of those maxed out, and now you have RGB white. So it's still doable with the controller, but it's not ideal, because again, if you just click white, it'll turn off. Or if you go red, blue, green, whatever, you get the idea. But the cool part about this is that you can still do the patterns, you can create your own, you can do the syncs, ha la 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 la. Well, you get the idea. Next up on our list here is we can go to the Demon Eyes. And Demon Eyes, again, you can barely see it, but yeah, they can change color too. So this is a really beautiful setup, all using diode equipment. It's all reliable. It's all going to work flawlessly with the 2019 Charger. And it's not that I have anything against profile products, but this is how much stuff I pulled out of this car today. I got all the Demon Eyes, Demon Eye drivers, RGBs, my sweet little acrylic mounting things that I had to make to hold these brackets in place. Damn it. And also my controller, which was giving me problems. I don't know why, but this car was just being a pain in the butt, and I just wanted to have it handled for the client so he can get what he paid for. That's the whole point. Okay, so I just maxed out the DRL brightness back to 100%, and now I'm going to demonstrate how it still operates with the vehicle turning on. So now that the button is not pushed, every controller is off, you've got no RGB, this is basically it sitting in a parking lot. But when you go to get into it and start it up, so this is just on auto mode, but as you can see, even in auto mode, basically it kicks on the DRLs as with the headlight itself, because it's dark in here. But that's the whole point. It operates just as the factory intended, as long as it's wired up properly, and also has the ability to do RGB. So if I turn on the button right now, then the demonize will be disabled because the running lights are on, and we don't want the demonize on at the same time that the headlights are on. But the grill lights will come on, and technically you can, if we do a search on the Diode app, as you can see, DRL shows up because DRL is getting power, not the other ones, and we can control them. We can put them on whatever color we want. Ta-da! But we want them on white. Now, worth mentioning, the one feature that you will lose by switching from the Profile products over to the Diode Dynamics products for this particular vehicle is you will lose switchback functionality on the DRL. So on the Profile products, these actually blink with the turn signal, and with the diodes, they do not. They are just running lights or RGB. So that is what they do. Hopefully that's not a deal breaker for those of you considering your American-made DRL RGB LED product for your American-made muscle car. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thank you so much for watching. You have yourselves a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. See ya!